In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up replacement AirPods. As you can see right here is my AirPod case with the one AirPod, and this is my replacement one because I actually lost the other one. So first thing you're going to want to do is once you've got your replacement AirPod, you're going to actually want to charge it in the case. Just give it like 20 minutes because it's going to come dead most likely. But once the AirPod is actually charged, you're next going to want to go over to your phone, go into settings on your phone, and actually just go over to the Bluetooth options right here. Now, once you're on the Bluetooth, you just want to click on your AirPods right here and actually scroll to the bottom so that we can forget this device. Now, you actually do have to forget your AirPods, just like remove them from your phone to actually set up the new AirPods, because if you don't forget them, then it actually won't link the new AirPod that we got right here to your phone. But how you want to reconnect these AirPods to your phone is you simply just want to hold down this button on the back right here. It works on the same for the new generation AirPods too, but you hold this button for like about 5-10 seconds. And once you hold that, it should just reset them so that it can relink them to your phone right here. And if we go over to Bluetooth just on our phone, as you can see at the very bottom of the pairing devices, there should be the option to actually link these AirPods. When you actually open up the AirPod case, you can see that the light is flashing in here. So we just want to leave it open, set it off to the side. And as you can see under settings, the new AirPods will actually just pop up. So you just want to click on them and you can actually just connect them. And as you can see, they're now connected and the new AirPods are actually linked, the one that you've now set up. And yeah, they should work flawlessly now.